What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Your daily update it is, and daily updates I'll also keep it because Solana has been very strong, right? And still is very strong. Earlier today, when well, not today, but earlier this night, when Bitcoin showed bullish momentum again as well, Solana was able to break out. What we still see is that not only Bitcoin is strong, and Solana is not only strong because of that. But no, we can also see that Solana is outperforming Bitcoin, basically since yesterday, which is a pretty impressive feat if you look at the Bitcoin dominance right now. So Solana in general is just very strong right now. The thing is that if you look at the technical structure here, it is it's still a little bit early to celebrate, I would say. All right, on the 4-hour time frame, I think we are bullish. We respected the trend band right here after finding support here at the 382 fib. We, by the way, this level was given to you for quite a long time. All right, between 166 and 162, we've been talking about that basically the entire time this week. So congratulations if you got in. But we hit that level. Decent reaction. It was still, I mean, yesterday afternoon we still had some drops by Bitcoin and some bearish pressure, but in the end Solana not only found support there, which technically already is bullish, but no, we also got a bullish breakout above this now green area, but obviously that was resistance. So strong support, bullish breakout. Technically that means we are very bullish. But then if you look at the 1-hour time frame here, what you can see is that, all right, well, the 4-hour time frame is bullish, right? So that leads. And that's also technically why I am bullish on Solana. But if you look at the 1-hour time frame, the structure is more kind of like a consolidation, all right, where the EMAs are relatively flat. We have support at 166 and we have resistance at 182. And we're waiting for that consolidation to break. And I do think it's valuable to talk about that as well, right? Like, do we actually have enough momentum today to break above that consolidation? And I do have to say, even though, I mean, I do want to stress that I'm bullish on Solana, all right? Fundamentally, I think Solana is doing great. TVL is still growing right here, is probably going to make all-time highs soon. It's the second biggest chain. You have these ETF rumors, so fundamentally, I think it's a matter of time before we reach into the 200s again. But purely technically, I do think we need some more momentum. And momentum can come from Solana itself, all right? So that's obviously a possibility. And if you look at the momentum right now, what you can see, if it loads, obviously, is that we are gaining momentum. So that's good to see, but it is a little bit mixed, all right? If you look at the CVD here, you can see that, and it's also a bit shady perhaps. The open interest laddering up like this is usually like a whale or some sort of a big institution buying or T-wapping into the price. But it's also like the majority of this earlier last night was bullish and it was longs being opened. But now we actually see some shorts being opened as well. So that's not necessarily bearish, especially in line with the technicals. That's not the end of the world. But what you would like to see is solely bullish momentum coming in, right? And what I also think is that, well, what we want to do obviously is break above this level here at 183. I think that level lines up with Bitcoin here at 68,000. So in the end, even though Solana does have momentum and is gaining momentum and is stronger against Bitcoin, I still do think it depends on what Bitcoin does. All right, and I think Bitcoin can break out here at 68,000, but for now I don't think it's most likely. All right, it's a Friday. Those are usually quite volatile. We have some news coming out today that's going to cause volatility. So I am not convinced yet that we'll have that breakout. Therefore, I'm also not convinced yet that we will have this rally today. It's a possibility, of course. Once we start breaking out above 183 and we still have a lot of momentum, then I was probably wrong. And there is a real chance that I am wrong. But given what we see right now, I'm not convinced yet to tell you that I think this is most likely. I think it's more likely that we will stay bullish, but that we will chop up here and range up here before getting that move. But those are my thoughts, all right? If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. I'll try to keep you updated on this. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.